standstill, and the limo with our guest stars in it is stuck in the Holland Tunnel. Looks like the end of the kaleidoscope for me.
Okay, look, you can figure this out. We've already got their costumes. They got them this afternoon. This is show business. We have to go on with the show.
Thank you, Ethel Merman.
All right, folks, here's the deal. Some of you are going to have to step in for our guest stars and do your best to make the viewers at home believe they're seeing the real thing.
How's that gonna work? It ain't gonna work.
Pat, we just have to figure out who's going to be who.
I've already got it.
Martin, you come to Cheryl Marcel with Lauri Bright.
Wait, he got a number. Why we have the music? We have no number.
You saw the show?
Yeah.
Something like that, only Christmas. Annette, give me the singing line.
Oh, no way, Jose, you can play it. I had played it last Christmas in that Bells of St. Mary's sketch, and I didn't have a date until March. Forget it. Likely, I mean, it's gonna ruin my reputation.
You really baby, it's being done. Candy's got her poking on right before the spot. She can't do it.
Well, I can play a nun. Doris, you are a nun.
No, Doris, you have to change costumes for the dramatic stage. You won't have time.
It's going to have to be soon.
Fine, honey. Whatever you say.
I need an Elvis.
I can guess. I play a little guitar.
No wonder it's so hard to see. The whole new body of the company.
Somebody's costume.
Thanks.
Oh, you're welcome, champ.
Okay, folks, 5 and 2. Jack, look, we lost an awful lot of time in power. We may need to cut something.
Well, we're not going to cut the guest stars. America is counting on us.
Oh, Jack, that's a comedy sketch. It stinks anyways. But I've heard so big to win and distract it. Isn't a Christmas Carol a serious, dramatic piece? That's what I'm used to anyway. You may have seen my work in bedroom chat, Catch the Pink, and Why Don't You Want Me No More? They did very well at the box office, so they told me.
Nah, I want to keep the Dickens bit.
Hey, we can cut the other sketch, the Tales of the Two Cities sketch.
Okay, first off, it's Tale of the Two Cities, also by Dickens. You're talking about a Christmas Carol. But you were really close.
Fine, we'll do both sketches. Get the audience on our side. Clue them in about the guest stars.
That's what to say. Folks, we have restored the power, and we'll be going back on the air very, very shortly. Thank you very much for your patience. Now, due to the blizzard, the city is virtually shut down, and our guest stars are all stuck in the Holland Tunnel. So we have a bit of a dilemma. But our very talented cast will do their best to impersonate our guest stars. And the folks at home cannot know that they are not really seeing their beloved heroes and heroines. So please applaud as generously as you would for, the real people.
Okay, folks, 1 minute. Now let me get this straight. And hey, you're Elvis. No, you're singing none. Robbie, you're Elvis. Marty, you're Zero. Who's doing Gypsy Rosalie?
I do that. I just love intrigue.
What?
I played a gypsy once in Murder on the Moors. I see a fog. Beware a fog. Cross my palm with a coin and I'll willingly show you the rest.
This leaves a stripper.
What? I didn't know that.
What is this?
Costume, the next number.
No, this is your costume for the next time.
Oh, no, that's... We're back.
Welcome back to the second half of the Jack from the Christmas Kaleidoscope. In this version of our show, we are pleased to feature the vocal stars of Elvis Presley, the First Lady of Burlesque, the Singing Nun, Broadway's Zero Mostel, with a preview from his new musical, Cellist in the Cellar, and director of Paris Convent, Gypsy Rose Lynn. But first,
Studio audience and viewers at home would love to hear you say a little something in your native language.